Good morning, scholars. Today's lesson is all about true and false number sentences. So in front of us we have a chart, and it says to determine what each symbol stands for and provide an example. So the first symbol we see right here is the equal sign, right? That symbol stands for the words equal to. An example would be like 3 is equal to 3. We can have maybe like 2 times 4 is equal to 8. All of those things would be true with the equal sign, right? The next symbol we have is actually the greater than symbol. So whatever to the right is greater than whatever is to the left. And so I'm going to go ahead and just write, that symbol literally says greater than. So we can say that 4 is greater than 2. Another example could be like, let's say 3 times 6 is greater than 5. Because 3 times 6 is 18. 18 is greater than 5. And those two statements are absolutely true. Here goes the third symbol. It is the less than sign. So that symbol literally says less than. And then that symbol, whatever's to the left, is less than whatever is to the right. For example, we can say 2 is less than 4. And then we can say like, I don't know, let's say 6 is less than 7 times 2. Okay? That fourth symbol is less than or equal to. So we would say less than or equal to. And an example could be that 5 is less than or equal to 6. We know that it is less than. Or we can say 5 times 2 is less than or equal to 10. And that is equal to 10, right? That last symbol on our chart is greater than or equal to. So we would say, like those words exactly, greater than or equal to. So it could be like 11 is greater than or equal to 7. We know it's greater than. Or we can say 11 is greater than or equal to 11. And those statements will all be true.